We're Immobiliser fitting. This is a brand new 73 plate Mercedes Vito protected with a Halo Mini. So if a thief got this key and went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start. Ignition's going to power up, vehicle's not going to start up. As you can see, vehicle's not starting. So what the customer's got to do, we'll do a double click round to get the ignition on, go through a unique code. For now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the side lights and we can start the vehicle. This system, as soon as you leave the vehicle, open the door, you get 2 flashes, and if a thief grabbed the key, it's simply not going to start. The customer can choose their own code between 3 and 21 presses in any order they choose. And this system also has the total kill tracking system, so you can lock the system out, totally disable the keypad entry and protect the vehicle even if it's in valet mode. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser fit. This is a Halo Mini, which we've also upgraded to the total kill with Halo Track vehicle immobilisation. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.